Hello. In the last video, we have discussed the law of definite proportion. It is due to Proust. Is a French chemist. Proust he proposed the law of definite proportion, and we have discussed the last video that the statement that is whatever may be the source or whatever may be the method of preparation, a pure compounds always contain same elements and they combine in a fixed or constant mass proportion. We discussed some examples in detail, and here also some continuation of the law of definite proportion. Here sodium chloride can be obtained from different methods or sources. We know that sodium chloride can be prepared by different methods. One of the method is by evaporation of seawater. Also, we get sodium chloride from mines. From mines, we'll get. Also, we get and also from reaction of HCl and NaOH, we get sodium chlorides. In all these cases, the pure sodium chloride always contains sodium and chlorine elements. In all these cases, pure sodium chloride common salt contain sodium and chlorine elements. Uh, Here you just look the pure sodium chloride always contains sodium and chlorine elements and then combine in the mass ratio 23 is to 35.5. Here when we take 1 mole of sodium, the molar mass or gram molar mass of sodium is that is the mass of 1 mole of sodium is 23 gram, and chlorine 35.5 gram. That's 1 mole of chlorine atom. That is here the mass ratio between sodium chlorine. That is the ratio of mass of sodium to the mass of chlorine is 23.35.5. That is this ratio. That is now in all examples we have discussed the mass ratio between the sodium and chlorine is always 23 is to 35.5. The ratio is constant in all cases. The pure sodium chloride, the mass ratio is fixed. That is 23.22 is to 34.5. That's the constant ratio. Therefore this law is here also called law of constant proportion. Okay. Then another example, carbon dioxide. But we can prepare carbon dioxide by different methods. Just heating carbon in the presence of oxygen, we get carbon dioxide. Also by combustion of hydrocarbon, for example, methane, we get carbon dioxide. And also when any carbonate here, for example, calcium carbonate, is react with common acids, aqueous acid, for example, is here, we get carbon dioxides. Also, we can, by heating different carbonate, we get carbon dioxide. Here, carbon dioxide can be prepared by the above methods. In all the cases, CO2 contain carbon and oxygen elements. In all these cases, the carbon dioxide molecule always contain pure carbon dioxide always contain carbon and oxygen elements, and also they combine in the ratio. Here carbon 1 mole of carbon is 12 gram and 1 molecule of oxygen is 32 gram that is 12 is to 32. 32 here, in this case is 12 is to 32. Here also 12 is to 32. Here also 12 is to 32. That is, in all the cases, the carbon element and oxygen element combine the ratio 12 is to 32. We can simplify this into 3 is to 8. That is divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, we get 3, and 32 divided by uh, 4, we get 8. That is the simple ratio we will get. That is also, this also prove that the law of definite proportion, that is what is law of definite proportion. Whatever may be the source, whatever may be the method of preparation, the pure compounds always contain same elements, and they combine in the fixed mass ratio or proportion. Uh, uh, this That's the law. Okay, we can discuss the next law in the next video. Thank you, everybody.